The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the MB Network. Today, I'm kind of excited because I've been waiting for this package from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. I pre-ordered a certain palette that I can't wait to get. I also have in here, I got the mystery lipstick, Baby Girl. I don't have Baby Girl from them yet, so this is good. Let's pop that open. Whoa, that is a bright, this is Baby Girl Pink. This is Baby Girl Pink. Totally. And that's swatched it. That is a massive pink. Oh, it smells so good though. It does. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this color. Well, you know what? I can see myself doing it with certain eye looks that I want to do. I can see it. It's a little different, but you know, it's fun. And I got also, I couldn't resist. And mainly because my daughter was like, why doesn't the glitter, she has these glittery brushes, why doesn't the glitter move? So, in this package is from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics, their brush set, and, ooh, nice feeling, but the glitter moves. Okay, yeah, I know it's weird, but I really like it. They feel really nice. I'm going to say that. Oh, I'm dropping them. But they feel nice. I think, oops. I mean, I have nicer brushes, I will say that. But these are really pretty. I will have fun using them. And I'll probably let my daughter use them mainly because I know she really wanted this set. So I'll put this back in its little glitter bag. They really do feel, they're really kind of soft, and they've got enough. Well, these brushes, I think they are really nice. I think this would be more like mid-level, but definitely worth it. I think they're cute, and I will test them out and see what they do. Now, this last thing is what I am really, really excited about, people. When I saw this was out for pre-order, I was like, I need to get this palette. Now, I already do have a palette from Spoiled Lips Cosmetics that I really do love. And it's right back there. It's a planchette. And the themes that they have for these palettes are just fun. Where is the opening end? Okay. I can't wait to get into this. I also have their diary, and that one was really cute. But look at this. Rest in peace. This is just my youth. Rest in peace, my youth. The founder, Jessica, she was celebrating her birthday, and this was her way. And I just love how quirky it is. This is just beautiful looking. The packaging, look at the details. I mean, cuteness. It's from Spoiled Cosmetics. I can't wait to open it. Oh, wow. And there we go. Look at that. Look at these colors. I was really drawn because of these lighter colors. And then it's got your glitter, pressed glitters. It's got your shimmers. And it's got highlighter. Woo. That shimmer. Woo, woo, woo. Well, I can't really see it with the makeup on it too. Well, but so these colors are just really cute. They don't have any names on them, but oh yeah, that feels so good. I'm gonna swatch all this and show you the swatches. I think I'm going to have fun making it. Right now, I am wearing the planchette palette on my eyes, and this one, I'm going to kind of compare. The formula is really, I know this palette right here, the planchette. Okay, so this is the color story for the planchette, okay? And you get the face highlighter, and you got the eyes. And it is beautiful, and they blend beautifully. They're easy to put on, and they're fun. And I just love the artwork. The artwork is just, right? So then we got this one. And this color story is beautiful. I love the pinks, the peaches. And then you got that dark wine, red wine color. And this comes with 2 facial highlights, one that's darker, a gold or golden, and one that is more pink, a soft pink is what it looks like. I am going to have fun. Now, you would think, rest in peace, you would go this more morbid, but I like going with that morbid twist, but amp it up with some femininity. And I should really see that this is what's going on here, and it is adorable. It is just, I cannot wait to play with this palette. I'm going to be probably wearing it tomorrow. I'm using this one. I have to tell you, their palettes are really nice. I really, really, really like the formulas. There is not a lot of kickback. You don't have fallout all over your eyes. It goes where you put it, and it blends in. I would say get these palettes if you guys can. I know you can also subscribe to get a monthly palette from them, or is it? All right, so I was just checking these things out. Now, this palette was $30. This one, $32. You can purchase it now on a sale. I got this on pre-order, that's why I have it already. And you can also get on, they have lots of lipsticks, as you see. This one of them. And you can get a monthly lip trio sent to you every month, 3 lipsticks, and it's $18. Then they have the Flash Super Lippy Trio deal, which is $12. Now, they did have a bi-monthly bundle club where you got a lip trio and a palette, but apparently it seems to be sold out. So you can't, it's not available. I do not know when it'll be available again. I hope soon, because I'm tempted to join. They also have the monthly lip trio where you pick the colors, and that one is $18.50. So you get one where you don't pick the colors, and you get one where you can pick the colors. It's a lot of fun. So you would have lots of lipsticks. Also, they have their mystery box where you get a palette and some lip in it, and I've gotten that before, and I got the neon palette from them, and those neon colors are gorgeous. They are just so neon. They are neon, but they also, at the same time, they don't stain, and they don't and it's easy to blend. It's not like some neon colors get hard to blend, bright colors. So with Spoiled Lips Cosmetics, I'm surprised more people are not aware of this company and the hard work that obviously Jessica is putting into this. I'm really impressed. Her lips, I like them, but not as much as some other brands that I like. I'm going to say that the eyeshadow is really where I'm sold at, where I am drawn to. They have personality, these palettes, and they work well, and the great color stories. Really fun color stories. The Dear Diary one had all these pastels, and it was so cute and beautiful, and it reminded me of the 80s, total 80s palette, and that was fun. And this one, oh my gosh. You can make a really nice smoky eye with this one. And you can also make really light neutral looks. And that is really just awesome. So I can't talk enough about Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. No, this is not PR. No, they've never contacted me. I really, really do enjoy the products they are putting out, and I want other people to know about them. And you can get really nice, and I didn't have to spend $50, $60, $100 for a nice palette. This was $30 and gorgeous. And you see the swatches that I've done, the colors are pigmented, they go on well. I guess I can't can't say enough. I really think, if you have a chance, I'm going to put their link down below. And they also have an Instagram where I loved seeing all the stuff that they put up on the Instagram, and they show off so many different, it's very diversified. It seems like a very inclusive brand because of the diversity that I do see on her Instagram, and the influencers that they will showcase, that they will show. And that's good. Also, that was something, I was like investigating on, because we want to make sure that we don't have somebody who's like closed-minded about who should be in the beauty world and not. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, because I'm older and I am legally blind, and it's a challenge for me. Here I am, 48 years old, legally blind. I have arthritis, and I'm still playing with makeup. And I think people need to realize that it's not just the young people who have, used makeup, and I want makeup that's going to work well on my eyes, because they are older. The eyes are older. I've spent so much time in the sun in my youth, so my skin, I think some people think I try and take good care of it. I really do. I try so hard. I'm not sure if I'm liking the foundation I'm wearing today. It's not quite the match I thought it was going to be. Yeah, you see me, right? It happens. This is a Becca Foundation I wanted to try. It's the 24-hour one, and I'm okay. It's okay. I also am trying, what else was it? Oh yeah, Elf's Camo Concealer. I really am impressed with that. I think I need to get a little bit darker shade. I'm really impressed. So yeah, drugstore makeup can be really good. And although I do like go bougie and I do get the finer things, I also use an Estee Lauder concealer that I really love. But if you don't have it in your budget to spend a whole lot, and you want to be careful what you choose. I know people go with a safe palette. I really think some of these palettes would be considered safe, because you're going to get a lot of looks out of them, and the quality is so good. It's what I reach for. You see the palettes that I have, they're ones that I reach for, that I have displayed. The reason why they're out is because I like them. I like how they work. And so I'm going to keep being really true and honest about this with you guys, and give reviews. I've had some negative, and I had some ones where I was just like really disappointed. I was really disappointed in the one size palette, and a lot of people haven't even seen that video, but this one, it is so, the quality, I can't say it enough. The colors just, look at that swatch I just did. Beautiful, beautiful. The shimmers, let's do a shimmer. This one shimmer's got gold and pink in it. Look at the gold and pink in that shimmer. I don't know if my arm, I did it awkward. It is so gorgeous. I don't think the light is getting it just the way it looks in person. It's iridescent, and I can't wait to use it. I really like how her shimmers are really nice. They aren't too clunky. They aren't too wet. I'm wearing some right now, and I love that one shimmer. Her shimmers, they got like an iridescence look that I don't think some companies can capture. So I'm really, really impressed. I know I keep talking about it, but I want you guys to know. Also, I'm going to be doing more unboxings still on this channel, but I want to do something. I'm going to start up a new series, and it has to do with astrology and horror movies. I know you're going like, how does that go? Well, I am really into astrology, and I love horror movies. And my wife was like, hey, if you were going to do it, what a horror series, you know, take horror characters and figure out what sign they are. What would their astrological sign be? I was like, oh. And at the same time, people are going to learn more about astrology. And it's fun to bring in the horror element of movies. I love movies. I grew up around Hollywood, and so there's a whole lot I got into, and I had a lot of people in the business. I was a nanny and a babysitter to different. While I was in high school, I was making a lot of money because I was sitting for celebrities and celebrities' kids and grandkids, and I was, you know, they found me through my family connections, and I was really good, reliable, and I didn't, you know, talk about it. And I protected these children, and I loved them. And so, yeah, I do have a lot in the industry. I love movies. I love to watch movies, and horror movies are really, I used to watch them when I was a child with my dad, and we'd watch the crazy ones like The Stuff, you know, those B-rated, and Elvira. I loved Elvira so much. So I'm going to be diving into some different, I'm going to create a series, and I hope it's something people would be interested in. I will share trivia about these horror movies and the characters. I have the first movie I want to do is one that I absolutely love, and I can't say enough. It changed, it like gave a jump start to what I felt was dying. The horror community movie was dying in the 90s. And a movie came out that totally jump started and changed everything. And that will be the first movie in the series that I will be talking about. And the heroine, the final girl, she is I've been working on her astrological sign, and I'm pretty much sure, I think I nailed it, and I hope other people agree. And if you don't, I want to hear everyone's opinions. I'm going to try something different, and I also will be doing makeup with it. Yes, yes, yes. And I'll be doing trivia, and I have a little quiz with some contests where people can submit in these forms, online form, and answer questions about the trivia or different things in the video. And I'll be giving away a lot of different cosmetics. I have so much makeup that I'm always getting, and so I'm going to when I get from these mystery boxes, some stuff I'm going to give away to you guys. I have been giving away things to people that I have gotten to know a little bit on the internet, and I'm shipping some bunch of stuff out tomorrow or Saturday. But this time I'm going to use it as a contest to give makeup out to people, and I might do some looks to go with the story, the movie. I don't know. I'll see what happens. I want your feedback, what you kind of think about this kind of stuff, and yeah, what you think of Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. Have you ever tried them before? Are you going to try them? Let me know. You guys, I love you all so much, and I really appreciate you supporting me as you have. It's meant so much to me, and I hope that I can be as authentic and honest in everything that I'm doing here. It means I want you all to know that I love makeup, and I love this beauty community. The people in this community are amazing and so friendly and really care about one another. And I want to keep promoting that. I do. I love you all. And I'll see you next time here on the MB Network.